What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video. First of all, let me say thank you all for reaching over 10,000 subscribers. Thank you all for watching my videos, for liking my videos, subscribing to the channel. Today, back with another video, just like a little tutorial type video. I've been getting a lot of questions in the comment section of other videos as well as in person about the equipment I use, the positioning of my cameras, and things of that nature. So this is just going to be like a little ride for that, a little short ride, discussing again what kind of equipment I use, how I position the cameras, how I mount the cameras, and things of that nature. So we're going to start out talking about the helmet. Let's talk about this first. This is a Bluetooth Santa, where I can listen to music, not just music. I can make phone calls, listen to whatever my phone is saying. Like if I need to use my GPS, everything goes through this, and there's earphones inside the helmet. You can't see them because the pattern is covering it, but it lets me know the turn-by-turn GPS if I need to. You can also connect to your fellow riders, your other friends and everything. You guys can talk back and forth with each other. Once you connect to the Bluetooth Santa, I can connect to another rider. We can say, hey, turn up here, or warn that person of incoming dangers, or whatever the case may be. We can communicate back and forth with that. As you can see right here, this didn't come with the helmet. So I'll push on the button. As you can see, it lights up. Get a lot of attention with this. People love that. And it changes color. It comes with an app. It does different colors, different patterns, whatever you want to do. Imagine how this look at night. And I'm currently working out something with the developer of this product, so I can't tell you where I got it from as of yet, but it's very cool, very cool. So what else? This is my GoPro setup. As you can see, I have the GoPro mount attached to the helmet, get as close as I can here, attached to the helmet with some 3M tape. The GoPro is still up there. It's pretty good. This is a housing for the GoPro. The GoPro is actually inside. The GoPro is actually inside this housing up top. I have a light, so at night, if I want to put the light up here, so that way I can get whatever's dark. Unfortunately, with this particular housing, the lighting that came with the GoPro camera doesn't fit in there, so I had to modify that so when I put it in here, it'll stay. And it's only for a short time. Like if I get some footage where there's not a lot of lighting and I'm walking around, it's not to ride with or anything like that. I can put it on the side or at the top. There is a mod. All this is in the description via link as far as what I use, so you can find it. There's a mod here that goes into this housing, and you plug this in to that mod. There's a microphone in here, and that's how you hear me talk with the vlogging and everything like that. And of course, you will connect this also in here. But if you decide to get this and you go with it, it'll explain everything to you as far as how it goes. Yeah, so everything is, like I say, is in the description below with the link. And once you plug everything up, then you can do your vlogging while you're riding, walking around, talking to other people, whatever. Everything connects as far as that goes. The microphone, I have it set up inside. Try to get a good picture of it. You can't see it because I have what they call a dead cat on it, which cuts out a lot of the wind noise. If you see that fur inside there like that, that's basically what that is. And the other microphone for the Sena is also in there. Let's see, could I get a better picture of? So as you can see, I have the microphone for my vlogging. That's just to the left of your screen. And then I have another microphone that's taped to the front. That's for my center when I'm talking to other riders, or if someone make a phone call to me and I need to talk to them. That's the microphone that I can communicate back and forth with them. The earpieces are behind the mesh or the protective cushioning inside your helmet. The earpiece, so you can hear everything. So there's a little earpiece right inside here and on the other side for both ears. It's behind all this cushioning here. All right, let's talk about my cameras. I have the GoPro 360. I have the GoPro Hero 9 as well as a GoPro Hero 4, which I call the gap cam, the position that I put it in. So this is my setup that I have for the Invisa stick, but this is a GoPro Invisa stick. But this is the setup that I have. The stick goes between what used to be the frame that held up my muffler, but I told them to keep this on here when I got this exhaust. I told them to keep this on here so that way I can mount this perfectly and it looks fine. But I have Velcro strips here that keeps it in place. I also have the brackets that pins against the frame, and also have some zip ties in here, but they're the quick release zip ties. I don't have to cut them or anything. I just have to press the button, press the lever release, and it release those zip ties. But these are Velcro ties pretty much as well, Velcro strip ties that I put all around the 360 camera stick. And I have the GoPro, so it goes up. As you can see, it extends pretty far from the bike. And if you know anything about 360, this whole stick becomes invisible because the 360 camera cuts all that out as it goes around the 360. It cuts it out. And it's only a little flimsy, of course, with the wind, but it's not going anywhere because the way I had this set up. So you can get this, zip ties, the bracket and everything that keeps it up here, and it's tight. It won't come off. It's really, really, really tight. And extends and get a good view for a good point of view from a 360 angle. And then you can put it down. I don't usually ride with it up if I'm on the highway, so I keep it down. But when I'm going through the streets and stuff like that, I'll keep it up. I'll extend it out. I have my other GoPro camera. This is a Hero 4. This is one of the oldest cameras. This is one of my first cameras I ever bought with GoPro, and I just use it as a gap cam. So when I gap you, this camera is going to pick me up gapping you, as well as obviously the 360 if I rotate it around. I also have another bracket up here, and this is where my Insta 360 is going. So that way when I gap you back here, this will also show the beginning of the gap when I pass you with the Insta 360, as well as this. Those are the point of views that I'm going to be bringing to you, so just be prepared for that. Again, all this, the stick, the brackets, the Velcro quick release zip ties, all that, everything, including the brackets for the GoPro cameras, everything is in a link in the description of all my videos, including this one. And again, once you go and click on that link, it already have my code in it, Gottem POV. You would definitely get a discount. Now on the Insta 360, you can get free product. You don't get a discount on the camera. They don't do that with anyone, but they do give you, if you mention my name or click on that link, they do give you free product like a selfie stick, and some other things if you mention Gottem POV. Another part of my inventory is my drone, DJI Mavic Pro 3. That particular drone is also in the description via link. If you click on that, it'll take you to all my product, all the things that I use for bringing that different point of view for you guys. All right, some of the protective gear that I wear is I have this vest here. I have the gloves. These are the full gloves, not half gloves, on both ends. And also wear a side pouch that carries a lot of stuff, my wallet, sunglass pouch here. It also can carry a bottle of water or whatever your favorite drink is. You put it in there. It has some side pockets, and you put some other things inside the pocket. I carry my extra GoPro batteries in. Now, the pants and the shirt that you see, I got that from a local motorcycle shop called Cycle Gear. That's where that goes. And I want to show you another vest that I wear, a full vest. It's also in the description under my link at my Amazon store. If you want to invest or get one of these vests, it's really, really, really good. It's protective. It has the shoulders, chest, back, elbows, everything that protects you. I try and use this mostly for track days, but also if it's a little cold outside, it's a full vest and protects me a little bit under the cold weather conditions. Now, as you know, I have 3 different types of bikes, and I have a jacket for each one of those bikes. So I'm just going to show you one for now, and I try and match my bike jacket with the color of the bike that I'm riding. One of my bikes is red, white, and blue, so I have like a red, white, and blue jacket. Then I have 2 Kawasaki's. One is all green, as you can see, my ZX10RR. So I just wear a black jacket, but I have this also. It's very protective. It have elbow pads inside of it, shoulder pads, so it's very protective as well, as far as the jacket I wear. There are some other good jackets out there. I'll put this also in the description as far as if you want to get this type of jacket. But there are some other good jackets out there as well. It's your preference on what you want to do. I'm just showing you my gear. Okay, last but certainly not least, this is my backpack that I carry. As you can see, it's LED. I get a lot of attention for this as well. In some of my videos, you can see that people was actually flagging me down. They asked me where I got my backpack from. So let me just describe it just briefly for you. This matches my bike, my theme pretty much. This is my logo that's going to be on my merch. The only exception is that it's going to have Gottem around the head. This here, POV, as you can see it. It's going to have Gottem around the head. So when my merch come out, it's going to be that. So you guys stay tuned if you want some of that merch. But as you can see, it's a face, and it says POV on it, my point of view. So, and this can change to anything you want. You can make this backpack, put any image on here you want. You can take a picture of yourself, and your picture would be on this backpack. It has preloaded pictures and images and everything. You can do graffiti, whatever you want to do, you can put on this backpack. So guys, if I forgot something, you have some questions about anything that I showed you or whatever, don't hesitate to ask me, reach out, follow me on Instagram, TikTok also. Don't be afraid to ask any of their questions. So yeah, that's it. That's what I have, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my shit.